Today I'm going to be doing a back to school haul. It's my very first back to school haul and I'm so excited. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. The other day I was looking at how much subscribers I had, and honestly a lot of people are like, that's not a lot. But I'm like, that's a lot to me. I don't even know more than 3 people. Like, I don't have more than 3 friends. So trust me, 400 is a lot for me. That's a lot. Like, yeah. Okay, moving on. It ripped, so yeah. I got some pens, basic black pens. That's like a must. Sometimes professors, they are picky and they're like, no colorful ink or nothing like that. I also got some pencils because I'm always that one person that never has pencils whenever there's a test or whenever there's a quiz and all of that. I was literally in one building, and okay, this is the building I was at taking a test, and over here was like the bookstore. It was so far away, and it was literally, I had like 2 minutes to run, buy a pencil and run back. I've never ran so fast in my life. I probably looked stupid. Like, I was like but yes, nonetheless, always take pencils. Then I also have some, what are these called? Index cards. Index cards are very important. I didn't buy these. I don't think I bought this last year because I was like, I'll just read. But girl, I thought I could like fly by my freshman year of college. That's besides the point. If you guys want my freshman year experience and stuff, comment down below or just like this video. Because damn, I thought I knew I was getting myself into. But yeah, basically you need note cards. I learned the hard way that you need to do more than just read, basically. Next, I have some of these pens. These pens, I actually got them last year, hence where you can tell that they're open. There were 24 pens, so they did last me to this year. So yeah, smart buy. I have some Expo markers because I did buy a very cute dry erase board, which you'll see right now. But yes, I needed some markers to write down, hence also because planning, there was a bunch of times where I missed meetings and stuff. Yes. Let me show you guys the board I got. This is actually from Target, so I was planning to show you guys when I moved on to Target, but since we were talking about Expo markers, I decided to show you guys the board already. It's so cute. It's marble, and I already wrote down some stuff just for you guys to see how it looks. The marker that came with it, it like flew out and I lost it like the first day I bought it. I also got like a basic one. I think this one's gonna be for Danny, my boyfriend, because he needs to get his shit together too. So I had 2 of these, but I guess I already lost it. The semester hasn't even started. I'm pretty sure it's around here, but I bought 2 little blue books because you always use these, especially for history. I thought it would be for like English or something, but I mainly use those for history. I got a little post-it. I actually had another post-it, but I think I put it in my, I don't know where I put it, but I got 2. There were 2 hot pinks, little notebook, little post-its, because yeah, you need post-its. I got some stickers. These are some stickers that I used. These are closed, but this one I used it for my summer class because I did take 2 summer classes just to have a life, you know. I took 2 summer classes, so I used these stickers to decorate my planner. But yeah, stickers. Sheet protectors. I always buy this. I think I still have some left over from last year. I think I have like 2 left over or 3. What I like to do with these sheet protectors, let me tell you guys a little quick tip. What I like doing to not carry big binders, because it's not really required to carry binders in college. Well, so far I haven't gotten a professor to use a binder. But what I like to do is I print out the notes sometimes, but yeah, sometimes, most of the times I try to put them in the clear protectors, that way it won't get dirty or anything. And I got 2 composition notebooks because I am taking English the fall semester. So yes, these are like plain. I think these were like 89 cents at Walmart. I got 3 colorful notebooks. These are I think these were $1 exactly, or less than $1, I believe. Got a pink, blue, and a purple. And a really nice idea if you guys are trying to save like me, but you love decorating, you love being girly and stuff. What I like to do whenever I get these plain notebooks, what I like is to put like big stickers, and then I put like in nice handwriting. I told my sister, or I told someone that has nice handwriting, because I don't have nice handwriting, I told someone to write English with a Sharpie here, or I cut out like a little index card or something. I don't know, I try to make it cute, and I put the title of the subject here, and I put a little sticker here. There's a bunch of ways to have cute supplies that doesn't cost you that much. Next thing I got is from Victoria's Secret. It's this planner. I love this pattern. I love the colors. Pink, purple, blue. That's basically the same colors that I got for this year. I like that I have a lot of space to write. There's stickers, and then each month, August, September, October, November, December. I just decided to show you guys how it looks inside, because whenever I look at school supplies, I don't know if I'm the weird one. Whenever they show their planner, I'm like, how does it look inside? I'm always like super nosy like that, and I just want to know how it looks inside the planner. So in case you guys are nosy, I showed you guys how it looks like. These are not really school supplies, but these are some decorative little lights. I love decorating my desk area at home, or my makeup area. That way whenever I sit down and do my homework, there's a nice space. It just motivates you. Am I weird? Another must that I got, I think it was at Walmart, it was these Summer's Eve little cleansing pads. Is that what they're called? Cleansing cloths. And basically they're little wipies. I don't really know. I don't want to offend anyone. I know that some people don't believe in like these types of products. They just believe in cleaning it with water and that's it. Like, that's fine. I'm just showing you guys what I got. But it does come in handy whenever if you have gym class, if you're in cheer, if you're in dance, and you want to, you know, be smelling nice, feel fresh. That's one of the things that whenever I was in middle school, because in high school I didn't have gym class, but in middle school I would always feel like nasty to go back to class, because I was like, I feel so sticky and I feel so The last thing I got was a sharpener. I think it was like 97 cents or 93 cents. But yeah, sharpening pencils, even lip liners and stuff. Got a little clipboard, and I'm not sure if I got it at Target, to be honest. I got this a while ago, so I'm not really sure if I got it at Target. Target, I got kind of like fun stuff. I love Target. In the little dollar section, I got this weekly planner dry erase board. And now that I'm working and going to school and be uploading on YouTube, like 3 different stuff, I'm really gonna need a little dry erase board. And I'm planning to have like a little cute update my little desk area, and in a way use all these little cute things to start decorating it. I think I will be recording that, so again, make sure to subscribe, that way you guys won't miss those videos. Okay, so the next thing I got at Target, I actually got these folders last year, but I never used them, so they look brand new. It's just this cute polka dotted gold folder, and it's just a regular folder. It's very cute. Okay, and this one's a little fox, and it's so cute as well. And I do have a little paper in here. I think I just put like 2 pieces of paper and then I didn't use it anymore. And I also got some more notebooks, because I am planning on taking 5 classes. The other ones are 3 plain simple ones, and then I got 2 cute ones. And I do like to separate my notebooks by subject. The cute one that says Cool Beans, and I also got this one, You Bake Me Crazy. And then I just got some matching folders. I think these were $1 or 50 cents, I believe. I just got a white and a yellow. They match so cute with the notebook. This is for one subject and for another subject. Then I also got some regular paper. I also got this cute little organizer that I bought for my little dry erase board. Okay, so the last 2 things that I think they're the last 2 things I'm going to show you guys are these 2 cute little organizers. They're not really organizers, they're mainly, I don't know what they are, but they're cute. And they're mainly gonna help me decorate the little my desk area, and they're both $3 each. So I almost hit myself. I think that's it. I feel like I'm missing a couple of stuff, but if I did, I will post them on my Snapchat. I'm trying to use Snapchat a little bit more, but I'm just waiting to get a little bit more people on there. That way I can start doing like fun little stuff, like asking you guys questions and stuff. So make sure to add me in Snapchat and also on Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.